You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this very curious, at least confusing, let's say, investment banking brand company. If you want to learn more bank names that are confusing too, stay tuned. Macquarie is how it's pronounced. Let's break it down in English. The pronunciation: Macquarie. Macquarie. I know. Is it Macquarie? No. Macquarie. It's easy once you know Macquarie, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.